Here we have the Polar Lights Round 2 Romulan Battle Cruiser, which is obviously the Klingon D7 with different decals. So let's go ahead, open the box and have a look. Again, this is another snap kit, but you will need glue. Sorry, the snap kit parts just don't hold together. So you've got the box open. This is what you see. That hung in space base. All the parts are done in dark gray. Don't know why. Again, dark gray. Dark gray. Chrome. And the decals for the Romulan. And the instructions. Now we all know it's the same kit. Same kit. Same instructions. Same directions. Same. The only thing different or new is the color of the plastic and or the directions and the decals. We will definitely do a build with this and see more in the future, but we will be using glue and we will be lighting this. Oh yeah, we're gonna make a really awesome Enterprise incident diorama. More to come, as always.